In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate an amazing technology that business owners can use to really establish a close connection with their customers, letting them know how much they appreciate their business, encouraging them to come back and to even schedule appointments and even to give them referrals. All right, so let's get right into it. So we're going to start off with an auto repair business. And what you're looking at is an image that can easily be created. We'll show you how to do that. And you can send out as many of these video funnels as you want to. And so the whole purpose of this is to thank your new customers, especially for coming in and doing business with them and encouraging them to come back and to refer others. And so you're going to do this by sending them a text message. Now, when they click on this message, this video is going to show up. So let's see what the business owner had to say.
Hello, John. This is Nick from Nicholas Automotive. I just wanted to take a moment to thank you for bringing your car in today for service and to tell you how much we appreciate your business. As our way of saying thank you, we want to offer you a 15% discount on your next service. This offer is good for the next 30 days. Again, thank you for your business, and please rate our performance and share your comments on our Facebook page. Have a great day.
All right. And immediately following the message that was recorded by the business owner on their smartphone, 30 seconds, maybe 45 seconds, it immediately took the client to a Facebook page where they could recommend the service. Now, it's entirely up to you where you want them to go. You can send them to a website, a landing page, a capture page, a review page, even to a calendar where they can schedule another appointment. It's entirely up to you. Now, let's take a look at another example. In this case, we're going to look at a beauty salon, and this is a hairstylist who had a new client and just wanted to really make that client feel warm and special. So they sent them this amazing video funnel by way of a text message. Once the client clicks on it, they're going to see this message that was recorded by the hairstylist. Let's listen.
Hello, Janice. Thank you so much for coming in today and being a first-time customer. We just wanted to take a moment to thank you for your business. We trust that you love your new style and are happy with the service you received. If you have any concerns or questions, please feel free to contact us. Again, thank you for your business. Have a blessed day.
All right. And again, immediately following the message, it immediately took the individual to a website, a landing page, or a capture page of your choice where they can even schedule an appointment moving forward. So exciting. But let's take a look at one more example. And this is an example of a realtor. Now, he just took this young lady to see a home. So immediately following that transaction, he sent her a video funnel by way of a text message. Let's listen to what he had to say.
Hello, Miss Jones. I just wanted to take a moment to thank you for selecting me as your realtor. I'm extremely excited in working with you to find the perfect dream home for you and your daughter. Now that you've seen the first home, let me know if you want to make an offer. If not, I will continue looking and will call as soon as I find something promising. Again, thank you for your business, and I look forward to celebrating your new home purchase very soon.
All right. Now, in this example, the person actually needs to click continue before it moves forward. And of course, it's going to go, in this case, to an Instagram channel where they can comment and also schedule an additional appointment, whatever needs to be done. And so you've got the option to make it automatic or to have it so the individual can choose whether or not they want to go to the next page. And so very exciting. It's all about setting yourself apart from the competition. It's all about connecting with that client in a way that others perhaps are not doing. This is what you have in this amazing technology. You can create as many of these video funnels as you want to. It's extremely affordable. For additional information, reach out to the person who shared this video with you. Thank you for watching.